Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Talent because we are back with another video.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I put myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song.
We are back with another video. As you can see by the title, the video's name is... What is the video's name? Travel vlog? Preparation vlog? Whatever you want to call it. Cold, guys. I'm just dressed like this because I'm indoors and the heating is on. That's the only way I'm dressed like this. There's no way I'd be out in this cold like this. So yes, we are traveling to guess where. Comment in the comment section, guess where. Guys, I can say these things and I can actually post these things and not just keep the video in my phone. Guess where we're going? We are going to Cape Tweezies. Guys, this came up as a joke. Like a joke. I was like, bruv, I think I want to go to Cape Tweezies, man. I've never been there. Or I just want to go somewhere. I just need to breathe. My friend was like, let's go. Let's go. Kosgan. Come on, Stihan. And I was like, okay. Started looking at flight tickets. Yo. There are the flight tickets. Yo. Insert. Yo. Ooh. And then things didn't work out. Then I was like, there is my other half, my forever half. Bestie, who's that? Are we going? Let's go. And we were like, we are going. But you and I both don't like logistics. So what do? We call up a friend. I was like, hey, yo, friend G. My friend G is like a travel influencer. Not officially, but she's been everywhere. So I was like, who's that, my girl? Who wants now? And she was like, hold on. Let me send you a few pages. Here we are. Buying suitcases left, right, and center. But that's not the point, guys. The problem is, the going is not the problem. The problem is the preparation for the going. Yo. But yes, you want to be Miss Independent. Look at you, Miss Independent. You're paying for your own things. But yes, to find out more, guys, keep on watching. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, the comment section. Keep it coming.
That's the same as you, who has 5 times more than you, and you wouldn't even know it.
No.
See, now we stand out. So when a guy like Chevy
Never mind. I'm so excited. I don't even know things like this.
You don't even where I recorded. I went there because I wanted to watch. And you know how they get checked. Yeah, then we don't hear because we don't
We are going. We took a bath, as you can see. We took a whole bath, and my alarm just went off, meaning I should quickly go to the tube. They call it the tube, guys. As the train, ek moet train to gaan, and I can see it like train station is just like on my right, left, on my left. Oh, like I said, it's 3:34. I was supposed to go by now. Bye. Must be one of those girlies with the you know, it's that guy. No, okay, bye, guys. I need to go for it. Should I go with this bag though? It's too big. I don't want to take my iPad. I want to take my iPad with, because I have to finish a few things. Well, what am I need to go. Bye. See you at a nail appointment. Hi guys. So what did we say we're gonna do earlier? Not even that. So we went to the place and we did what we're supposed to do. Do you guys want to see? You guys want to see? Are you ready? Can you see? Can you see the beauty of it all? I hope y'all can see. I really hope you can see. Lips are dry now. Let me put you all on this. Even before the girlie started advertising, even before the influencers started influencing, my friend had this. And I put it on. You know when you're like, oh my chommy, oh my chommy, oh my chommy. I put it on and it was really sweet. Chommies. Maybe it's Maybelline. Can you see now? You know you can see. Yeah. The girlies put me on. I'm like, what's that? Guess what else, guys? Biggie. I hurt myself. Let me show you guys. Yeah, now you guys can see. Can you guys see? Beautiful, beautiful nail set. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Moi moi. So we did the lashes. We did the nails. What was next? I think it was the waxing, but obviously ons kan mos nie op die camera kom wax, nie verstaan jy? So what's next, guys? Do you guys want to know what the hour is and what hour I'm shooting this? This is on the 5th of December. I'm going to work later today. 5th of December. At 1, what does it eat? 1:21. It's the time your friend decided to start doing her hair. And one thing about us on our channel, you and I, we are within you and I on this channel, we are going to drink something. Last time we're drinking what we're drinking. This time we're drinking what we're drinking. Next time we're going to drink what it is must be drank. Woo! Woo! You guys, I'm listening to you guys. Tell me what's different from the first video. I listen. Ek hoor as jy praat. Ek kry my taal terug hoor. Ek kry no fancy. Guys, yeah, something dramatic. But this is why we're doing this, because we like to speak. Get to know me. Did you understand? I said I like talking. What is something interesting about? Who says that? It's like saying, why do you want to be Miss Universe? Because I believe I can change them. But that's not the point, guys. Can you guys see the lighting? The lighting is booming. What else? What else? What else is different? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me what is different. I know. It's the game. It's the voice. It's the sound. It's the no ame. But yeah, guys, it's for the benefit. No man, that is this expensive word. It's for the of the channel. It's for the insert in the comment section. Yeah, within the vicinity. But guys, I can't do this anymore. Like, this is my hair. This is what I like. My hair comes still here. Yo, I'm just done. I'm going to sleep. I've never had anyone offer me water. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm a YouTuber now. Did you know? The owner of Nana's Kitchen, baby. Stop it. It's giving London. This is a beautiful food, guys. Oh my god. We are doing a wig. Oh, she agreed. She agrees. She agrees for us to. Then she must make my toe removal free because I'm doing her baby. I am taking care of her baby. Mm. So what do we do with this? Sometimes I forget. This is a new wig cap, but I don't want to use a new wig cap. I hope I brought my old wig cap. And no, I did not. Do I really need to cut my new wig cap? That doesn't make sense. Doesn't make... My love, you are taking forever, yeah? Some edge control. Just think you spray first. Maybe. Go watch KM's install. It's the blueprint of installations. Welele, welele. Welele. Ooh! Snap, snappy snaps. Snappy snaps. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah! Cuckoo, I can't go. Oh, my lashes. Do you think she took it with? If she didn't, we can go sneak around. I have 3 layers on that. 3 layers of this, you let it completely dry. And then you come to the Harikis back. And also what I was saying is I want a side pot. Obviously because this is a teapot weed. It means I literally have to like turn it to the other side. I found one. These are purple beans. No. Maybe I'll eat your egg. I don't know what I want, bro. Oh guys. Blenders. I pushed it out too far. How do people use it? Remove this. Good morning, neighbor. Unfortunately, this is the end of this video, of this vlog, of this preparation. As we prepare to come to Tweezies. You and I will call it Tweezies, ne? I can say you. So yeah, say hi. If you want to see more of what Cape Town has in store for us, watch out for the next video. Watch out for the next video. That's why you and I adore the explorers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And if you watched till the end, we should do this. If you watched till the end, insert an elephant emoji in the comment section.
You know, we were showing stars outside. What's the reason why?